Grog AI is still free. Yes. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually use Grog AI for free or for $2. Yes. Now it depends on your location. You guys already know that Grok AI is already $40 or $30 per month, depending on your location. But I actually broke this code where you can actually use Grok for $0 or $2, depending on your location. And that's what I'll be sharing with you today. Why are we crying about Grok? Because Grok is one of the best AI tools when it comes to dialogue, bro. If you're doing storytelling, if you're doing movies, films with AI, you can know that Grok is like the best. Your images are super. Your videos are super. The lip sync, everything is good. Without wasting your time, let me show you how to actually use Grok for free or for $2, depending on what you want. Now, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. And do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you or the next AI kind of video you want me to teach you. Let's go and crack this code.
First, what you need to do is you go to X, okay? Go to your X account or Twitter. You need to create a Twitter account. For those of you who do not have Twitter, you need it. It is important at this point to create your Twitter account. Now, once you get to your Twitter account, okay, you click on your profile, okay? Once you click on your profile, here you find premium. You see profile, you see premium. Mine is premium plus. You see video and everything. When you click on that premium. Now, once you click on premium, see this one basic. You cannot have Grok, okay? But this one, which will allow you to pay $2, $2.50, you can see here you have that verified tick. Of course, you be big babe for Twitter already or big boy. You get. And then it gives you access to Grok. I told you guys, this is Okobuchi Academy and everything, trick, education, and style, I'll teach you. So just come here on Twitter and choose this particular one. You can choose the $2.5, which means in 2 months, you'll be paying $2.50, okay? $2.50. And after 2 months, you can now start paying $5 per month. This is actually very cheap for those who are doing storytelling and you want to have your channel with Grok AI and all your stories very well. You all know Grok is the best. Let me just say the best AI tool right now in the market to create your story videos or dialogue scripts. When it comes to dialogue movies, it's Grok that's going to give you. Now, you can use this $2.50. If you do not want, if you're Odogu and you want the premium of Grok, you can choose this one, which is $20 per month. You see, it has a super Grok. This one have super Grok. Now, this one will actually let you use Grok the way we were using it for free, which means you have 50 videos a day. Grok will allow you to generate 50 videos a day, okay? But if you pay on this one, Grok will allow you to generate 200 videos a day. Now, this is your choice. I'll actually advise for those of you crying and say, oh, this, please pay for this $2. $2.50 is not. After you get to Twitter and you've choose what you want, you all already see, choose the $2 own, okay? You can choose $2. For you, it might be $1. For some people, it will be $1. For some people, it will be $3, depending, okay? Now, once you get here, when you're done doing everything and you set for premium, and then here you come here and you click on Open Grok here under your profile. When you click on Open Grok, it will open like that. And then it will ask you to sign in. I know you already have an account on Grok. But now when it asks you to sign in, click here on sign in. When you click to sign in, don't use your Gmail anymore. Okay? Now click on Continue with X. When you click on Continue with X, if you're using it for the first time, it will ask you, it wants you to give access to your account. Like now, it says Authorize App, okay? Now, you click on Authorize App. Guys, any platform that you're using or any phone that you're using, any device that you're using, you use this. Now, you get into your account like so, okay? Once you get into your account, the next thing you need to do is to click here on Imagine to test it if it's working, okay? When you click on Imagine, then you click on Type down here where it says Type Imagine. You come here to animate photo. This is because you want to check if it's working. Now you take your photo. Let's say I'll take this photo. I'll add it in. Once my photo is in, let me go get a script. So I'll go to ChatGPT and get my script, all right? Because, yeah, you all know I don't want to generate coins for no reason. I don't want to generate anything for no reason. So I think that's my story. So I'll just copy the story. I have it like so. Copy. Make sure you get it right, okay? Copy. And then we take it back to Grok. This is us testing that it is working because I don't want to bring you guys with something that will not work and then you hold my neck. Now I'll come here and I'll click and then I paste. Okay, on generate, and your video is generating. You all, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. So actually, I did not even upscale. You're allowed to upscale to 470, which 760. Okay, let this generate. So let me show you what I mean by upscaling. So you can actually upscale now with your $2 or $3 or $1 abonnement. I don't know, subscription.
You can't run from me.
You can see. You can actually extend. There's still extend for you, okay? And you can upscale here where you see 480p.
You can't run from me. You chose me.
Instead of 480p, turn it to 720p, which is the highest.
You can't run from me.
And then turn
You
it to
chose
10
me.
seconds.
No, I didn't.
You see how Grok, I beg. You see how good this is. I beg, pay your $2 and you'll not regret it. I'll be $3. Okay, so let's look at how the upscale come out after we upscale, which means if you want to generate, you don't need to generate and regenerate. Just put it at 720p and 10, because 720p is the highest resolution. So let's see.
You can't run from me.
Oh,
You chose me.
No, I didn't choose this.
You said yes in your sleep.
So you see, it is pretty cool. The images are nice. Everything is good. So yeah, guys. So yeah, you just have to save this and move on. But make sure you always save your Grok videos. Remove them from audio
You
before
said
you
yes
save.
in your
Okay? So yeah, guys. Tell me the next two you want me to review for you. And it's a bye.